Good morning. I don't think I'll ever get sick of this view. It is absolutely incredible. If only I could spend every single morning waking up here, motivation would be literally over 9,000 every single day. So yeah, we're just gonna have a coffee this morning on the balcony. Probably the best pre-workout coffee I've ever had in my life. Something I like to do before the gym is just get my mind right, and I've been doing this for like 10 years now. I used to do it in my car when I was going to uni and stuff, and just sit in my Fiat Punto. I would buy Happy Shopper coffee, so it was like 99p for a bargain booze, which is like a store in the UK. It's just cheap, and I've like 4 or 5 scoops for pre-workout. Before pre-workout was like a thing, before I had any money to buy pre-workout or Monsters, and I would do that like every day before the gym, or for like 4 days a week. So to be here now, having a nice cappuccino, looking at that view, just nice sometimes to reminisce and reflect on what you used to do and how far you've come and how far you've still got to go. So I always like to do that. It always kind of keeps me grounded and makes me appreciate these times and these moments, and makes me grateful, because this year especially I've tried to practice gratitude more and try to be more present and more grateful in everything that I do, because I'm very fast thinking, I'm very in the future, and I'm always thinking of like the next thing. So Marina's taught me a lot about keeping present and slowing down and appreciate the moment, and again just being grateful, because I think the more gratitude you have for the small things that you have, even just the roof over your head, the people around you, the gym to go to, because like when you get sick or when something happens, you realise how good you had it just being able to go to the gym, and all you want to do is do that thing that you can't do. So we're going to be training chest, shoulders and tries this morning, and we should be having a nice breakfast all of us together, so that'll be lovely. And then we've got Ocean Beach today, so it's going to be a really nice, exciting day. So this is the gym, guys. It's actually a really good gym, to be fair. It's got good enough equipment anyway to get a really good session in. So we've got chest, shoulders and tries today.
You know when it goes to push a top set? Yeah. I'm like, oh, is it gonna go? Well, it's not too bad. But it happened at the worst time. 2 weeks out from Dubai, I was like, oh, I can't train now. Yeah. Had to work around it. But then a week later, I was having like, basically for a full weekend, I had broken like every day, and that kind of got rid of it, but it was masking it though. Yeah. So. Good gym, wasn't it? Yeah. It's enough kit. How was it cutting and stuff? You're good? Yeah, no, lean out a lot.
You're not too bad, like slow quicker and stuff.
Yeah.
So there's consistency.
Yeah.
Just taking that.
Yeah, you went down to like 240. 2.5.
Yeah, probably about there, yeah.
Manageable, isn't it?
Yeah, not too bad.
I'm gonna like run to 2.7 anymore.
Yeah.
2.7's like.
What are you now?
That's probably where I was, like 270 calories. In terms of weight, I'm like 104.
Okay, yeah.
So it's like,
Yeah.
for being relatively lean,
Yeah.
really that's
That's good.
It's
Not like that way.
yeah, enough there. I'm trying to get a bit more used to that. Just, you don't have to peel for it.
Yeah.
It's not what it is.
Especially when you're building.
Yeah, exactly. But that's why you probably does more suited, I think. Yeah, we've always been morning in circles.
Yeah, all year round.
Is that alright for you, that high?
Yeah.
It's one of them as well, it had so many choices, you know, like different sushi rolls, like different crazy cocktails, and just like so
Good quality.
everything you said to me, bro, that's just like exceeded it.
Yeah.
Like, I knew it was going to be good, but it's just my kind of place. What are you doing? Who lazy? It says it in America. Better ones, you know, like Sigmas and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's heavy that. Hard to do both of it on that.
Yeah.
Wait. Casual Friday afternoon. Just making memories. I think you have to be a visionary as well. You have to visualize where you want to go, so you can't just like wing it and expect to get there. You've got to plan it and then, you know, like visualize and kind of make sure you're making the right steps towards that goal by mini checkpoints along the way. Cheers, bro.
Yeah.
Some more life, brother.
Yes, right. Yeah, big year ahead.
It is, isn't it?
It's good to celebrate the end of the year.
Yeah.
Just to celebrate your wins,
Yeah.
areas of improvement. You just got to keep going, keep motivated,
Yeah.
just keep pushing yourself, right?
That's it. It's about working hard as well, isn't it? Like everything you've achieved and everything I've achieved, obviously you're at a different level in certain areas. You've worked hard behind the scenes, and it's not all, it all comes to fruition after you, like you said, you keep compounding. It's almost like the gym.
Yeah.
So like you say, you go away, you tear down the muscle. It's almost like banking the money, and like you keep compounding those wins and those checkpoints, and it builds into something great, just like your physique. You know, everything that you kind of do in fitness, you can kind of take into business.
Yeah.
And that's kind of what we're both doing right now, compounding things on top of each other, and kind of building that momentum.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's all about building momentum and putting in the work behind the scenes before expecting a big result in the first place. You've got to really, it's that long-term gratification, that delayed gratification, and then eventually it pays off, and you kind of, it's not that you wing it, you almost like learn as you go in this kind of game, and you keep getting better and investing in different areas and expanding. So
I think taking action.
Yeah.
I think that's the main thing for everyone, and just in general, just taking that action, taking that first step.
Taking that first step.
Yeah, taking that first step, and then you learn along the way, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
fail fast and learn, right? That's how everyone does it. And any business, any product you make, you have to take that action to succeed. And you get better, you have areas of improvement, you just keep building and building. And then you keep compounding, make sure you're in the right area, keep learning, keep that personal growth, development.
Yeah, that's something you did as well, and you was kind of teaching yourself areas of investment and studying. Similar to what I did with fitness, obviously my thing is fitness, so I learned a lot through YouTube. I watched guys that I wanted to aspire to get to, and I always still do that, and I kind of follow in that footstep and learn from those people instead of getting kind of, I get more inspired. If someone's doing better than me, like I get inspired by them, and others who are doing well, who are motivated, or on the same page as you. You know, you don't want to be around people who are not wanting to progress, because you'll be, I mean, it's that saying that you hang around with 5 smokers, you'll be the 6th, and it's like that with anything like business, fitness. You know, you want to get around people who are doing better than you, so you can elevate and you can get better. That's what, you know, it's all about as a man. So
and branch out in other areas as well, right?
Yeah.
Get out of your comfort zone. Be comfortable and uncomfortable, right? That's the key, right?
Yeah, OBEACH. I want to go to Miami. Yeah. It's literally like a Japanese video game. Insane vibes. Time to get some food, boys. Man is starving. I've had one meal all day.